I am sat here today in an Aston Martin DBX707. Now, if you're in the market, this is going to be the one for you. Still under warranty until 2027, this absolute beast is what you're going to want on your driveway. This isn't just another souped-up 4x4. She's got the soul of a sports car and the practicality of an SUV. Under the bonnet lives a twin-turbo V8 sourced from the AMG, re-engineered by Aston Martin with ball-bearing turbochargers for faster spool and more boost. Redesigned intercoolers, oil flow, and a 27% larger grille with extra cooling intakes. 700 brake horsepower, 900 Nm of torque, and 0 to 62 in just 3.3 seconds, making this the most powerful production tune Aston has ever done, and one of the fastest SUVs on the planet. That power runs through a wet clutch 9-speed gearbox, delivering faster, more aggressive shifts than the standard DBX. And when you engage race start, it launches like a supercar. Out back, the quad tailpipes give a deep Aston roar with crackles and pops, tuned angrier than any AMG or Urus. And if you need to stop as quickly as you accelerate, the huge carbon ceramic brakes will haul this 2.2-ton SUV down from speed without even breaking a sweat. The DBX707 doesn't just do brute force, it's engineered for balance. Height adjustable air springs and a 48-volt active anti-roll system mean it can corner at flat speed, yet ride smooth and supple in GT mode. The electronic limited slip differential sends power to all four wheels, but biases torque to the rear, giving a more agile sports car feel through every corner. Now take a listen to those quad tailpipes in action. And in true Aston Martin fashion, you get special details like swan hinge doors, opening slightly upward for curb clearance, and that extra touch of theatre. This example is finished in the Onyx Black Metallic, fully wrapped in Satin PPF by Topaz with ceramic coating. She wears the most aggressive wheel setup Aston offers, 23-inch forged textured black alloys with spacers, paired with black ceramic brake calipers. It's got the black exterior pack with rear smoke lamps and gloss black grille, giving it a menacing presence on the road. And inside, you're going to find the Onyx Black Leather with Californian Poppy contrast stitching, Sports Plus Seats front and rear with ventilation, micro perforated inserts, Aston Martin wings embroidered onto the headrest, and a mix of carbon fibre and dark chrome Q-Pack detailing. A very special Alcantara steering wheel with a flat bottom and headlining add motorsport-inspired touches, while tech like the Perimeter 360 camera system, blind spot assist, auto park, inductive charger and home link garage integration keep it as practical as she is powerful. This is not one to miss out on at all. So if you like what you see, head over to motorkiwi.com. I've got a full blog post on there explaining why this is such a great car. You're going to absolutely fall in love when you see it. Make sure you give me a call today and book your viewing because you are not going to want to miss out.